This is what we're proposing.
Now, Kenya's flour industry is raising fresh concerns over delayed VAT refunds rather, warning that the cash flow challenges are hurting competitiveness at a time when growers are already grappling with rising air freight costs. Speaking during the opening of the International Flour Trade Exhibition, Trade Cabinet Secretary Lee Kinyanjui acknowledged the concerns, saying the government is working to improve VAT refund efficiency and reduce the cost of doing business within the sector.
Growers and exporters have experienced significant increases in air freight costs, rising prices of critical agricultural inputs, logistical disruptions, and increasing compliance of costs associated with new market requirements. We are at the budget making cycle, and one of our recommendations is to reduce VAT on export-oriented businesses so that we can reduce the cash outflow that you have to claim from government every month. And the current proposal is to reduce it from 16 to 8 because it is assumed that your average input cost would be around 5 to 6. Therefore, your claim would only be 2. This will allow you to have cash flow that can guarantee growth and prosperity for the industry.
Right, with that, we've come to the end of this edition of Business Prime. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Have a wonderful night.